What's up, you guys? Chelsea Kush here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some old-fashioned cinnamon rolls from scratch. They are so good and I'm so excited to eat them. If you're new to my channel, I post videos every Monday, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you don't ever miss any of my videos. Now let's jump into this recipe. Start by dissolving 2 tablespoons of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar into 1/4 cup of warm water. Stir it and set it aside until it starts to bubble. Add 1 cup of milk to a pan on medium heat, and once it gets warm, add 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of salt. Once the butter melts, set it aside to cool. Now add 5 cups of flour to a large bowl. Once your liquid is lukewarm, add it to a separate large bowl. Add your yeast and add 3 eggs. Add 1/3 of your flour to the bowl. Now you're going to want to whisk that together fast until you start to see bubbles appear on the top. Cover with a towel and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the rest of your flour and mix it together. Now I'm just kneading the dough in the bowl for a few minutes. Now I'm just kneading my dough on a floured mat for a few minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Place your dough in a bowl and cover it until it doubles in size. Once it's done, you're going to want to roll out the dough into a large rectangle with your rolling pin. Melt 1/4 cup of butter in the microwave and brush it onto your dough. Now sprinkle cinnamon and brown sugar all over your dough. I didn't use measurements for this, but if I had to guess, I'd say about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and about 1/4 cup of brown sugar, but the best way is just eyeball it and add however much you like. Preheat your oven to 375. Now you're going to start at the top and pinch the top together and start rolling and keeping the roll very tight. Roll it all the way down. Now cut your cinnamon roll into 1½ to 2 inch pieces. Add your cinnamon rolls to a lightly greased baking dish. Cover it with a towel and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now bake it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to start on the glaze by adding 2 cups of powdered sugar to a bowl. half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of water. Now I wait a few minutes before I frost it because you don't want it to be super hot or else all the glaze will just fall off. So I glaze them when they're warm. Alright you guys, we are done making these cinnamon rolls and I'm ready for the taste test. There is nothing better than a hot cinnamon roll. Nothing. These cinnamon rolls don't have a buttercream frosting, which is the frosting that you find on Cinnabons and stuff. That's a lot more thick, or cream cheese frosting, that's the word. Yeah, it doesn't have a cream cheese frosting. It's the frosting that my mom always uses on her cinnamon rolls and her cookies. So if you haven't seen my cookie video, I'll put a link below to my cookie video, and I use the same frosting and they are just to die for. But if you like cream cheese frosting more, then you can make some or buy some and put it on the cinnamon rolls. If that's what you like, go ahead and do that. Well, that's it for my recipe. I hope it was easy enough for you guys to follow along and enjoy when you make these. Don't forget to like. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you never miss a video and you don't miss out on these upcoming treats, you know, you don't want to miss out, you know. I am feeling a little full. This is actually like my third cinnamon roll. Hey, but you know, I'm the chef, so if I'm making them, I get unlimited amount to eat, you know. Let me know if you guys like, girl, you better be quiet. Let me know if you guys like cream cheese frosting more. I really am not a fan of cream cheese frosting. I don't really like cheese, lactose intolerant, doesn't really sit well with me. But let me know in the comments if you guys like that more. Well, that's it for my video. Girl, you better be quiet. Mommy's trying to do a video. I know look at you. Man, she's over here messing me up. I'm trying to do my video. I'm trying to be a professional. Girl, I'm trying to be professional. I'm trying to be professional. Say hi. Hi. Woo. 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 Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next week with another bomb video.